Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a rich and creamy raspberry white mocha that combines smooth white chocolate, bold espresso, and sweet raspberry flavor into one incredible cafe-style drink. This cozy coffee recipe tastes luxurious, comforting, and perfectly balanced with fruity sweetness in every sip. Whether you're treating yourself or impressing guests, this homemade mocha is the perfect sweet coffee experience. Let's get started together today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons white chocolate chips or white chocolate sauce, 1 tablespoon raspberry syrup, 1 tablespoon sugar. Whipped cream, fresh raspberries for garnish, white chocolate shavings. Directions. Begin by brewing a shot of espresso or preparing strong coffee. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine the milk and white chocolate chips. Stir continuously until the chocolate melts completely and the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Add the raspberry syrup to the milk mixture and stir well to blend the fruity flavor with the creamy white chocolate. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add sugar to taste. Pour the espresso into a large mug. Then slowly add the raspberry white chocolate milk mixture. Stir gently until all the flavors combine into a rich and velvety mocha. Top with whipped cream, white chocolate shavings, and a few fresh raspberries for a beautiful cafe-style finish. Serve immediately while warm and enjoy the sweet balance of raspberry, espresso, and creamy white chocolate in every sip. This raspberry white mocha is smooth, indulgent, and perfect for coffee lovers wanting something extra special. Thank you so much for watching today's raspberry white mocha recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this creamy and delicious coffee drink with me. The combination of sweet raspberry and rich white chocolate creates such a cozy cafe-style treat at home. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more homemade coffee creations, dessert drinks, and cozy recipe ideas. I'll see you next time for another sweet coffee adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.